In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover permanently deleted files from OneDrive. Whether you accidentally deleted an important document or misplaced a treasured photo, understanding the steps to recover these files is crucial. Let's dive right into it. First, let's clarify a common misconception. If a file has been permanently deleted from your OneDrive recycle bin, unfortunately it can't be recovered through OneDrive itself. Microsoft has a straightforward approach. Once you've removed something from the recycle bin, it's like waving goodbye for good within the OneDrive ecosystem. However, there is some hope if the file hasn't been permanently deleted yet. Now, to recover files that are still within the realm of possibility, the journey begins by navigating to your OneDrive account. Once you're logged in, you want to draw your attention to the recycle bin. This important feature is where OneDrive temporarily stores the files you've deleted, a sort of safety net for these digital items. In the recycle bin, you'll see a list of files or folders that have been removed but not yet permanently deleted. Take a meticulous glance through this list, as the file you're hoping to recover might just be sitting there waiting to be restored. Once you've identified the target file or folder, you'll need to select it. This is simply a matter of clicking on it and then directing your attention to the option that says Restore. By clicking Restore, what you're essentially doing is instructing OneDrive to move the file back to its original location, like turning back the hands of time for that particular item. It's a straightforward process, but a lifesaver when it comes to those files that have almost slipped through your fingers. On the other hand, when talking about files that have been permanently deleted, the strategy takes a different route. At this point, your best option is to turn to third-party software designed for data recovery. It's important to choose software that is reputable and effective, as these programs dig deeper into your computer's data storage to try and uncover files that are no longer accessible through typical means. While not always guaranteed, this method can sometimes help you retrieve files that you thought were lost forever. In conclusion, while OneDrive offers a convenient way to restore recently deleted files, it's essential to act quickly before they're permanently erased. And for those more stubborn cases of data loss, leveraging the power of third-party recovery tools might just be the key to retrieval. Always remember to regularly back up your important data to avoid losing those invaluable files. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you recover those critical files.